Hello and welcome to French class with Annabel. Thank you for your continuous support. Thank you for coming back to watch my video. Thank you for tuning in if you're tuning in for the first time. My name is Anne, like I already said, and please watch my video to the end. Share your thoughts, like my video, subscribe, okay? Thank you. Yeah, so this is a part 2 of the previous video, le Passé Composé. If you haven't watched it, please go to my comment section, click on the link and watch it, or go to my description, click on the link and watch it so you can have a clearer picture of this topic. Thank you so much. Step active. Step 5. Passé composé with the auxiliary êTRE. Now, in French, some verbs use êTRE instead of AVOIR in their passé composé. These verbs are usually movement verbs. Examples are je suis allé, I went, elle est venue, she came, nous sommes arrivés, we arrived. And now for the agreement, an E, an extra E is added to all feminine words. And an S is added to all plural words. Example, il est allé, elle est allée, elles sont allées, ils sont allés. Step 6. Common mistakes beginners make. Mistake number 1. Do not forget the auxiliary when forming a passé composé. Example, do not say je mangeais. Instead, say j'ai mangé. Mistake 2. Do not mix auxiliaries. Example, do not say j'ai allé. No. Rather say je suis allé. Now, let's practice. 1. How do you say I studied in French? 2. How do you say he watched TV? And 3. How do you say she went to school? I'll drop the answers in the comment section. What was his score? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart if you're watching to this point. Don't forget to like my video, share your thoughts in my comment section, share my video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I'll see you in my next video. Au revoir.